Hey everyone, welcome to the Polymomo channel. So today I'm going to do a candy kit, and it's this washing machine thing. I believe it's a washing machine. So you get to have one of these 4 washing machines and you make candy out of it. So we're going to try this out. And there are no instructions in English, they're all in Japanese, and I can use a translator with my phone, but let's just kind of do it without. So we're going to open it up. So this must be the candy. And here's a straw to drink it, I assume. Here's the face stickers. And then the washing machine itself. So, according to this, just break up all the pieces and just build it together. So let's do that. Ooh, I like how easy they come off. So this is piece 1, and on top of that should be piece 2 is the gear, and it goes in here. Piece 1 goes in this hole. Okay, so it spins like this. Then this is piece 4. And it looks like it goes like this on top. So you can open it. And here is the scooper, which should, right here, it connects right here. So if you spin this if you spin this gear, you can see it spins. Huh, that's pretty cool. So now it says to pour some water up to the little line over here, so we're gonna do that. I have my water bottle, and I'm just gonna pour water directly from my water bottle. Look at that, exactly at the line. You probably can't tell, but it's exact. And we're going to pour some of this in here. Now if you look here, there's the number 2 next to the spoon, and it points to it, so I'm assuming it's 2 scoops. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so the candy looks like salt. Like really thick sea salt. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like salt to me. So we'll put 1 and 2. And it doesn't look like, there's like no pictures of it mixing, so I'm just gonna close it and give it a spin. Give it a nice spin. I wonder if it needs more water, because it doesn't look like there's enough. It is sudding up. Let's see. Let's mix this more and see if that's what it needs. Okay, so I guess it does need a little bit of mixing. And it comes with a little straw, so I'm just gonna drink out of it with the straw. Oh, it's actually rising a lot. So, I've had this taste before. But you know what? I really can't tell you where I tasted it before. It tastes like, it's kind of like fizzy, but it kind of tastes like candy that you bite into and it turns into like, it's like a chewable tablet almost. It tastes like vitamins, honestly. Like very, very sweet vitamins. Oh, I forgot to give it a face though. I mean, it's kind of too late, but let's give my washing machine a face. So here's an eye here. Ooh, I totally know. Put that face check on there. Some more in the middle. Okay, and then we need some milk. And then sparkles, because there's all these sparkle stickers. Okay, I think the sparkle stickers out, so I don't have nails for this. There we go. This one here. And I think this green one right here probably goes on this thing here. So this one's simple. There we go. So now we have our laundry machine right here. So, best thing to do is to add more candy to it. So a little bit of water. Let's take out my straw. And let's just pour the rest of this in. And I'll just mix it with my straw really quick. And take it for a spin. Lots of spinning. And here is our laundry machine juice. This is a pretty cute craft, like for like a small toy, especially for children. I feel like they'll like this. I mean, it's not entirely tasty, but you know, it's pretty cute. Anyways, I think I might use this washing machine for a craft later on. I might use it for like a video opening, or maybe I will kind of test this out and change it up, or I can customize it. You never know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want to see for my next video as a trying out craft kit or a candy kit or whatever. Thank you.